Everyone makes mistakes. It's part of being human. But in project management, it's not just about making mistakes. It's about how we learn from them and avoid repeating them. Whether you're a project manager, sponsor, or coordinator, your attention is constantly pulled toward tasks, deadlines, and team dynamics. And yes, mistakes will happen, but many are avoidable with the right mindset and strategy. In this video, we're going to walk through 7 of the most common project management mistakes, so you can sidestep them and steer your project toward success. 1. Underestimating the importance of good project management. Let's get one thing clear. Project management is not just about planning. It's the glue that holds everything together: people, budget, time, and scope. Without it, projects stumble before they even begin. Effective project management gives your team a vision, structure, and accountability. It's what keeps the ship moving, even when the waters get rough. Underestimating its importance? That's a mistake no organization can afford to make. 2. Poor communication can make or break a project. Lack of communication leads to confusion, missed deadlines, and poor teamwork. It's critical that every team member understands their role, responsibilities, and the bigger picture. Start your project with a kickoff meeting, even before planning begins, and follow up with regular check-ins throughout the process. And remember, priorities change. Communicate those changes clearly and promptly. 3. Not managing people. Here's a truth many overlook. Project management is people management. Mismanaging your team, or worse, ignoring your team, is one of the most damaging mistakes you can make. Make sure each person knows how their role contributes to the project's success. Assign tasks based on strengths, experience, and potential. And most importantly, choose the right people to lead. Leadership matters. 4. Not minimizing. Trying to tackle too much at once? That's a fast track to burnout and chaos. Break your project down into small, achievable tasks. This helps your team stay focused, feel capable, and deliver better results. The same goes for your team structure. Smaller, more agile groups communicate better, move faster, and reduce stress levels across the board. 5. Not adapting remotely. In today's world, remote work isn't optional, it's essential. According to Global Workplace Analytics, 80 to 90% of the U.S. workforce would like to work remotely. And remote doesn't just mean location. It also means remote learning and collaboration. Failing to embrace remote project management tools and workflows? That's a major oversight. 6. Fear of mistakes. Let's be honest, mistakes are going to happen. But how you handle them makes all the difference. As a project manager, your job is to stay calm and lead with clarity, even in the face of failure. And your team. They need to know it's okay to make mistakes, as long as they're honest, transparent, and proactive about solving them. Create a safe space for learning, not finger-pointing. 7. Tech-Phobia. Sticking with outdated tools might feel comfortable, but it's holding your project back. Modern project management tools offer automation, integration, and visibility that manual methods just can't match. Ignoring them can lead to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Don't fear the tech. Embrace it. Bonus: employing inexperienced staff. A successful project depends on the right people in the right roles. If your team lacks the experience or skills required, the entire project suffers. And this applies to project managers too. You need someone who can anticipate risks, manage challenges, and lead with confidence. Train where needed, but don't compromise on core capabilities. Conclusion: at the start of every project, hopes are high. But reality can hit hard. Poor planning, unclear scope, lack of collaboration, and ineffective communication are all common causes of project failure. The good news? These mistakes are avoidable. In this video, we covered 7 of the most common project management mistakes. If you can spot them early and take action, you'll put your project on the path to success. Learn from these examples. Use them to guide your team. And remember, Avoiding mistakes doesn't just save time. It builds trust, momentum, and long-term success. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on project management and leadership, and let us know in the comments. What's the biggest project mistake you've seen or made?